Now in this movie I want to configure the remaining 3 animation clips that we need to create for our character mesh. To get started, I'm going to just move over to this object inspector here, and since we don't need any of this data on the left hand side, we don't need to see the hierarchy panel or the scene panel or the project panel, I'm just going to move my mouse over the inspector and press the space bar on the keyboard just to maximize this view and just to see it in more detail. I like to have as much screen space as possible. Now of course we can see here listed in the clips section we have this idle clip that we've created, and if I press play on the toolbar we can see the idle animation playing. It's pretty subtle, so you need to keep an eye on the arms in particular to see this in motion, but this is the clip that will play when the character is doing nothing at all. But of course we know that the animation timeline spreads from range 0 to 250, which is longer than what we have specified here for the idle clip, so there are more clips to create. The next clip I want to create is the cheer clip. So I'm going to press the plus button here on the clip section to add a new clip. And I'm going to change this from take 001 to cheer and press enter on the keyboard. I'm going to scroll down here and specify the start frame of 144 and the end frame is going to be 192, like so. Now we don't need to worry about this animation being loopable. If I press play on the toolbar you can see the cheer animation, there we are, taking effect. Yippee! But of course we don't need to worry about this being loopable because this will only ever play once. We won't be looping this animation at all, so I don't need to enable this loop properties here at all. So that's absolutely fine. We can go ahead now and create the next animation clip.